Hello viewers! In this video, I will show you how to pay a PSID payment for the PPSC fee using an HBL bank account. Wondering how to do this? Let's follow these simple steps. Check here. This is the PSID number and the due amount is $600. Let's go to the HBL web portal. On this interface, you'll see the Pay tab on the left side. Click on it. You'll be redirected to the Pay section. Here, click on the Add New button. Find the Excise and Taxation option and click on it. Under this option, you will find Government of Punjab. Click on it. Now, a PSID text box will appear. Paste the PSID number here. Based on this PSID number, your details will be fetched. These details will include your name and payment status, which will show as unpaid. Next, click on the Next button. Enter the one-time password, OTP, from your mobile device and the transaction ID as well. Finally, click on the Pay button. Your receipt will appear.
I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.